Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display an in-game FPS counter in Steam. This is a really useful feature if you want to monitor your game's performance in real time without needing any third-party software. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Steam library, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can customize all sorts of features and preferences. Once the Settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with several categories listed vertically. Look for the option labeled In-Game and click on it. This section specifically controls how Steam behaves while you're actively playing games, including overlay features, screenshot settings, and performance monitoring tools. It's essentially your command center for customizing the in-game experience. Now, scroll down through the in-game settings until you find an option called Show Performance Monitor. This is the feature you're looking for, and it's what will display your FPS counter and other performance metrics while you're gaming. Right beside this option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal the available positioning options for your performance monitor. From the drop-down menu, you can select exactly where you want your FPS counter to appear on your screen. Your options include top left, top center, top right, bottom center, or bottom left. Choose whichever position works best for you based on your game's interface and your personal preference. For example, if your game has important UI elements in the bottom left, you might want to choose top right instead to avoid any overlap. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Steam's in-game FPS counter. Now, whenever you launch a game through Steam, you'll see your performance metrics displayed in the corner you selected. This makes it incredibly easy to monitor how well your games are running without interrupting your gameplay. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.